Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas prices on October the 4th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $2.974, as you can see right here, and my main assumption was right after we caught this movement to the upside and we caught about 23% of potential profit. I told you that we have to see the retracement to the downside. In the most bullish scenario, we could hit a little bit higher targets, not more than 5% above $2.974. But most likely, we have to see the retracement that should land somewhere around $2.515. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and right after I made my previous video, we had this movement to the downside, and guys, as you can see right here, we are at $2.582, and this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for this $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer. For now, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And let's take a look on its price action again. Guys, you might wonder, how did I catch this trend reversal point, and how did I know about this movement to the downside? And it was quite simple, because we were approaching to the previous major swing high at, let me show you, at about $3.167, and in the most bullish scenario we could hit this range, but then we could have a trend reversal. On top of that, on a daily time frame, we were at extremely high level of RSI, as you can see right here, at 74.91 points. On 4 hours time frame, we had a bearish divergence. We had consistently lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price section. Let me show you like this. We had higher highs and lower highs. 3 hours time frame, the same pattern. 2 hours time frame, the same pattern. And all of these signs leaded me to the conclusion that we have to see this movement to the downside. And it happened right after I made my previous video. So, and what should we expect next, guys? Let's take a look on its fundamentals. And we are on tradingeconomics.com. Let me quote you this latest update. US natural gas futures fell to $2.66 per MMBTU, extending its decline from the over 3-month high of $3, as evidence of strong supply magnified the lower demand brought by hurricanes in the US southeast. New data from the EIA showed that natural gas storages in the lower 48 states soared by 82 billion cubic feet on the week ending October the 4th, the most since March, and sharply above market expectations of a 71 billion cubic feet increase. Bearish pressure was also owed to the fallout of Hurricane Milton in Florida's Gulf Coast, which prompted houses to cut off their electricity and reduce power demand from gas generators. The developments added to similar developments previously following Hurricane Helene. And guys, this is the main reason of the decrease of the price of natural gas. And I have to say that right after the hurricane season ends, we might see the next major leg to the upside. And for this case, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's take a look on its movement to the downside in details. I have to say that till this point we didn't have on 2 hours time frame, we didn't have any signs of it's a bullish divergence. So we consistently have lower lows and lower lows on the indicator and on the price action. At the same time, guys, for now, we potentially might form this bullish divergence because we have lower lows on the price action with the higher lows, potential higher low on the side. On top of that, let's switch to 3 hours time frame. Pretty much the same pattern. 4 hours time frame. Pretty much the same pattern, but we are not so deep in the oversold territory. This means we still have a decent chance to hit about $2.515 mark, and we might see some kind of reaction. Guys, I have to say that if it is an impulsive movement to the upside and this is the retracement, we have to see the ABC correction, the shape of ABC in this retracement. And so far, I cannot count this entire movement to the downside as just one wave. And we have to see this type of bounce to the upside and then another leg to the downside that potentially might land somewhere lower. And so far, I have to admit that I don't see any ranges of accumulation for you, at least for now, because I don't see the entire structure of this asset. That is why, guys, we have to wait at least a little bit in order to see this structure. And in this case, with more certainty, we could say that this asset might have a trend reversal. At the same time, take a look on a bigger picture. If I switch to daily time frame and take a look on its movements without any drawing tools, you can see that we have, if we connect these 3 tops, we can see that without this movement to the upside, that was basically a bull trap, we can consistently see, I can even connect from this top, all of these ranges. And this is another potential range of resistance that worked perfectly well for at least 4 times. And guys, one of the main rules of the ranges of support and resistances is following. The more touches certain range of support or resistance have, the more likely the next touch will break it to the certain direction. And if this asset will retest it for the 5th time, I think we will have decent chances to break it to the upside. And in this case, guys, if we break it and break all its previous, at least 3 of its previous swing highs, in this case, guys, we will definitely be on a more bullish territory. The first range of resistance is at $3.161 mark, and when this asset breaks it, and I think it should happen before the year end, we will establish from this point, from February 16 till present day, higher highs and higher lows. And this will definitely be a sign for quite substantial bullishness of this asset. That is why, guys, just wait for several major signs that should be, several major ranges that should be broken, and in this case we will have more certainty of its upcoming movements. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.